deals just dropped. Well, it's a sneak peek, but yes, deals just dropped, and we want to buy this month at the lows. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way you to roast the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got some mowers, the Craftsman's, a lot of sales going on with these mowers. $339 for this one. This was just a push mower, 21-inch. Really basic mower, but it'll get the job done. Alright, you want something a little nicer, $699, down from $749. This is a really nice mower. Rear wheel drive, 21-inch deck. This is the brand new model. It is the select cut. So pretty nice model. Next model down is $499, down from $599. This is self-propelled. The other one is self-propelled as well, but this one's a little bit older model. And then we got this Cobalt one for $399. It is self-propelled, 20-inch deck. Alright, so we got some lights, Ego lights. This is a 10,000 lumen light, $129, down from $159. You got a 16-inch brushless string trimmer for $299. That's it right there. $229 for this 15-inch brushless string trimmer. So there's different ones, guys. There's different tiers. There's top, middle, and low tier on these. So it depends on what you want to afford or the features that it has. Make sure you guys read the boxes carefully when you buy these. And this one's down to $199 from $119. It is a string trimmer as well. Most likely the older model. So down to $134 from $149. This is a Cobalt string trimmer, 4 amp hour battery. So pretty good deals on this. Alright, this is that's the string trimmer. This is the 24 volts. We got another one on clearance. This is $87, down from $109. This is an attachment for the blowers. So it is some sort of universal attachment. Alright. Something we never see is the ramps. Yes, right now it's the time for ramp season, right, with the bikes and all that. So these are on clearance, guys. Make sure you guys double check your stores. You might see them a lot cheaper at your stores. This is $97 from $139. That's a really good deal. And then you got the straight loading ramps for $83, down from $119. I will definitely get the curved. That one's gonna allow you to get a little bit more leverage when you're, if you want to build your own. You can buy this kit for $17, down from $24.98. This is an 8-inch ramp kit. All you have to do is just buy the boards. This is the clearance section here. This is the DeWalt nut driver for $847, was $998. There's the Weehaw bits, number 2s. Bosch bits, $6. You got a bunch of mower blades. I'm not going to go over all of them. There's just a whole bunch. There's even Eagle, Husqvarna, all those brands. Make sure you guys check out the garden section, guys. There's a lot of garden section stuff available on clearance. I'm not going to go over all of it. I did get I will say about 2 years ago, I did get a contractor grade hose like this for like $15. So like I said, make sure you guys double check it's worth it just to walk around and see what you're gonna see, because sometimes you'll run into those killer deals. That's the way to do it. Just like this one. This one's down from $729. It is a 1700 BTU. It's down to $500. And this is a brand new model. That's why they're selling it, because the box is all torn up. But yeah, and check this one out. This one's $199. I'm just thinking about going back and getting it. But after this video goes up, I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell. So, and a lot of you already recognize this store. So this is a 3600 watts, 4600 starting. The Westinghouse generator for $200, guys. Brand new generator. That's killer deal. That is the shirts on clearance. I got the Trade Stack Pro drawers on clearance for $71, down from $89. Sold out, of course. Trade Stack Pro multi-accessory tote, $69, down from $89. And you got the multi-axis bag for $69, was $89. You got the Bosch Tripod BT150. And it's down to $54.27, down from $69.98. You got this one. This is a 10-inch job site table saw with rolling stand. This one's it does come with the stand, everything. It's ready to go. So this one's $549, down from $649. It's a pretty good deal. Clearance, guys. There's a whole bunch of saws, cobalt saws getting clearanced out. Here are the prices. You got the 12-inch dual bevel sliding for $244. You got the 10-inch dual bevel sliding for $228. These are really, really good deals, especially for that 12-inch. You got the 7 1/4 for $159. Wow, these are some good deals. So definitely check them out, guys. If you guys have projects where you guys need a miter saw, very, very inexpensive. That's the 12-inch right there. So I would definitely go for the 12-inch or the 10-inch slider. Those are the ones that I would definitely go with. You got a 5.2 combo kit, $199 from Skill. It does include a speaker and oscillating tool. These are the hidden deals, guys. I don't know why they put this deal on the floor, but it's already up. It is covered, by the way, so you're not gonna. At least they covered this one. But if you guys are gonna see the free tool or the free starter kit later on. It's at the bottom actually. So if you guys still look a little closely there at the bottom, it says free. So they covered up one, but they left the other. So you do have to buy one of the tools, and you get a free starter kit. So that's a really good deal on this one, especially that circular saw and that freak impact driver or impact wrench. That's a really good deal. So $14.98 for the bits and $99 for the kits. There's a 32 piece. It does include some 2-inch bits, a nut driver, not a nut driver, bit holder, and that is the kit there at the bottom. That is the one that you're gonna get for free. That 4 amp hour starter kit, and that's it right there. You're getting the newer batteries with that one. And that is one of the tools you guys could choose to buy, and then you get that for free. And that's gonna go on. That's for the second. So for the second, so you still got a few days. I don't know why they posted. They already put that down on the floor. They covered it up, you know. This one's gonna go all the way to the 20th of next month, and it's already here. So don't, you know. For me, it's fine if they put it earlier. That way, I can make a video for you guys, so you guys would see what's happening. But that's what's happening. You got the buy one get one free still. You buy any of the tools, get a free starter kit on these. Definitely some good deals. You got the ratchet, the SDS. These are the older deals. If you guys missed out my video from last week, I did give you guys the newer Craftsman buy one get one free deals. Make sure you guys double check. Make sure you guys go to my channel and check that video out. Those are deals just dropped at that store where I was at. They're not at this store or any other store. I don't know why, but they're just at that store. So make sure you guys go down there to that video and watch it. So this one's $139 down from $179. It's a Metabo. This was $159 down from $199. 7 1/4. Circ saw. You got a warm drive durable aluminum 7 1/4. And then you got $149 for the starter kit. It is a 36 volt multi-volt battery. So I really like these batteries. These are powerful batteries. Alright, so the Flex, yes guys, their founder's lifetime warranty is going to run down to the December 31st, 2023. So they're encouraging you to buy those tools and, you know, those bundles and get basically a lifetime warranty with those. That's a killer deal on those. Alright, so we got the mechanics gloves, and also make sure with Flex, make sure you guys register the product, because they do want you to register it so you guys can get that warranty. This one's on clearance. Yeah, I said last time I saw those, I was like, oh, nobody's gonna buy them. Yeah, they're gonna go on clearance because they're too expensive. Got the 7-piece oscillating toolkit, $79 from $89 from Works. And then you got this one. This one's actually expensive. If you guys want to buy something like this is a really nice kit. But if you guys want to wait to the Christmas and the holiday season, you guys can find some killer deals. But if you can't wait, then you have those on clearance. Check those out. Got a nice kit there for. The other one was $20. This one's $29.97. So I'll definitely go with that one. It's almost what 40%. All right. So this one's the ladder. Never seen these ladders before. They're fiberglass hybrid ladders. $199, made in the USA. You got all rubber feet. I don't know what kind of accessories you guys could do with that, but let me know in the comment section if you have something like this, or if you have any idea what you can put in there. These are $20. Was $19.98, obviously, but these are really nice. Even for like if you're riding motorcycles and all that, it's really nice color, like the yellow bright color, easier to see. Anyways, that's it for today. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.